Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Adam Bergman's Money Makers, where we talk everything personal finance, finance news, finance data, and as it correlates and corresponds to your own personal journey for not only independence, but generational wealth for yourself and for your family. Because at the end of the day, why do we do this if not for them? Today, I want to talk about a company called Wejo, ticker symbol W-E-J-O. Wejo is short for We Journey. It is actually a SPAC that is invested in by PALANTIR. A SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company. And all it means is instead of a company doing an initial public offering to go public to the stock market, they merge with a company that's already on the stock exchange through this SPAC. Palantir invested in over 8 different SPACs. 2 of the investments that they have, I invested in as well, Wejo and Lilium. Lilium is ticker symbol L-I-L-M. I'm not gonna talk about it, but if you do wanna watch that, just click the link above and you can watch my Lilium videos. The reason I invested in Wejo and the reason why Palantir invested in Wejo is because Wejo uses Palantir's software. And Palantir is trying to say, hey, we are for any business. We can make anybody better. We can reduce inefficiency by anybody, and we can make any company that much more productive. Because of that, I invested in these companies. I invested in them in several different portfolios, and I do like where this company is going. Well, yesterday they had their earnings. The earnings came out. They were really good. And today I wanted to read you these earnings. And at the end of this video, I do want to give you some of my own personal comments. It's very interesting about this company and market sentiment. Nobody's covering Wejo, and nobody really covers Lilium either. It's like so under the radar. And I hope that these companies take off so that at the end of the day, I will be the only YouTuber that was covering these amazing companies. Now, investing in a SPAC is speculative. You gotta invest and try to see what's gonna happen in the future. But this specific SPAC, Wejo, collects more data than even Tesla. Matter of fact, it smokes Tesla in data accumulation. This is Wejo, this is Tesla, and this is everybody else. It is not even close between first, second, and then the rest of the pack, they don't even count. Anytime a company can say that they collect or do or anything better than Tesla or more than Tesla, you have to pay attention to a company like that. And at just a few $100 million market cap, it is so tiny. And of course it got beat up over the last 52 weeks like any other company. So let me stop rambling and let's go take a look at the presentation. For anybody that's new to this channel or new to investing, every single company has something called investors relations where you can get news articles, financials, any declarations, and any presentations. It is a super valuable resource that's open to the public, and you'll be shocked how many people don't take advantage of it. This is obviously from Investors Relations. It just came out yesterday when results came out. The first slide says, autonomous vehicles, electrical vehicles, and connected vehicle data. And then it shows you all of the little points. I just want you guys to pay attention. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I believe 21 different data points. These are all sensors and relays that they put on your car where they get instant data, near instant data. Now you can collect that instant data and you can get a lot of information out of it, like demographics, area, insurances, road conditions, so on and so forth. Tons and tons of different types of data. Just think about it. Instantly. I believe it takes a couple of seconds for the actual data to hit the Wejo cloud from the sensors and the relays. Wejo multi-OEM data supply, 16.3 billion data points ingested per day, 575 billion miles curated, 8.1 petabytes data ingested. You know that a petabyte is so important, and you know that this amount of information is so important because nobody here knows what the heck a petabyte is. And if you give me a word that has something to do with bytes and the first word I have no idea what it is, well, I know that this is absolutely massive and that very few companies can have petabytes of information. So 8.1 petabytes of information is absolutely huge. 71 billion journeys, 442,000 data points ingested per second. 442,000 data points ingested per second. How do you think that they process all of these data points? Take a wild guess. Obviously, Palantir. That's why I'm investing in these companies, because I know Palantir is making them better, and if these companies succeed, they will in fact make Palantir that much better, that much stronger. And all of this is data collected by Palantir from their SPAC so that they can bring this into the open market and say, hey, Palantir can make you that much better. 74.2 million journeys per day. Data ingested points, 15.1 trillion. Total vehicles, 16.9 million. Keep that number in mind, 16.9 million. Pending and granted patents, 35 plus 1, so 36 patents. Vehicles live on the platform, 11.8 million. OEMs tear and fillet, 24, and they're on 4 different continents. Now, I know I'm just reading the screen, but I guarantee you 99.9% of the people that are watching this video right now did not see this presentation. I guarantee you. Why? Wejo gets no love. Wejo is absolutely under the radar, and nobody's talking about it but me. If Wejo can have a breakout to that 1 billion market cap and so on, which I'll show you guys in a moment, then definitely this company is going to be on everyone's radars. Everyone's going to be watching and everyone's going to be listening. So you're taking kind of a risk investing in this company, or I don't want to say risk, but a calculated investment. Do you think that this company is doing something special? Do you think this company can do this in the future? And do you think that they're going to grow? I think they're doing something unbelievably special. Like I said, anytime you can beat Tesla in anything, you are very, very special. This is their product lines. Marketplace data solutions, product and target customers. Microsoft, optimize Microsoft mapping products by identifying optimal and new routes for mapping customers. Leverages Wejo data near real time and historically, US in 2022. Global e-commerce company. Optimize delivery to complex addresses, apartments, shopping malls using Wejo origin destination analysis. The Wejo data showed us 30% more routes around our new stoppage and delivery depots. We will enable us to deliver with more accuracy, less wastage, and less road usage. This is the global e-commerce company. Expanding into 5 new product lines. The first, audience and media measurement. Number 2, fleet management service. This is a huge one right here. Number 3, end-to-end insurance. So you know how Tesla is saying that they're going to do insurance for all of their Tesla cars and they're going to make it a lot cheaper? Why? They have instant data for the way people drive, right? Instant data for Tesla drivers. And they can see who's safe and who's not safe and whose fault the accident was. Well, Wejo is able to do the same thing Tesla's doing for the Tesla drivers to non-Tesla drivers under State Farm, Geico, Allstate, and the other insurance agencies. Just think about what I just said. Just think about it. Remote diagnostics, roadside assistance, and then after that, the car sharing and rental for Enterprise, Hertz, Avis, so on and so forth. And then finally, after that, they're going to have payments. Guys, I want you to pay attention to this because you can see that the company is expanding, and not only are they doing something better than Tesla, now I know just a small piece of what Tesla does, but better than Tesla. They're able to adapt what Tesla is doing for Tesla customers to non-Tesla customers, and they're expanding their market. The more they expand their market, the more they're going to lead to profitability. Leadership position in a massive addressable market. SaaS, S-A-A-S, software as a service. SaaS solutions for OEM and Tier 1s, $30 billion. $31 billion marketplace, 8 product lines serving 200 plus markets. Wejo SAM, $61 billion market by 2030. Total market size, over $500 billion. 2030 size for autonomous, electric, and connected vehicles. I have a feeling that Wejo is trying to take share of a market for non-Tesla company. I have a feeling that Wejo is really trying to fight Tesla, but not head on, and kind of do something similar to what Tesla's doing for the Tesla customers for non-Tesla drivers, those non-full automatic drivers. This is what I'm seeing from this presentation. The universe of AV and EV connected vehicles is rapidly exploding. From 2015, there was only 60 million connected vehicles. Right now in 2022, there is 265 million vehicles. By 2030, there will be 600 million vehicles. In 2030, the connected vehicles to account for 44% of all cars globally. By connected, that means relays, and sensors. All the cars that communicate with each other, all the data that you can take out of them. So that includes all the Tesla cars. I'm telling you guys, they're trying to do what Tesla is doing, but not for Tesla customers, for everybody else. Industry leaders are partnering and investing in Wejo. Infrastructure platforms, Microsoft. Analysis platforms, PALANTIR. Automotive partners, Hella and GM. And end-to-end insurances, Sampo Japan. If I'm not mistaken, Sampo Japan also works with Palantir. I wonder if they put them together. That's going to be very, very interesting. Let's look at the financials. Strong financials and key performance indicators. $27 million total contract value. Total customers up 122%. Gross bookings per vehicle, 1.18 on a fourth quarter rolling basis. Gross bookings, 6.4 million. Monetizable vehicles on the platform, 11.8 million. Monetizable means how you can make money off those vehicles. So some vehicles you're not really making money off of, and some vehicles you are making money off of. So 11.8 million vehicles you are making money off of, which is fantastic. Annual reoccurring revenue, $4.5 million. Annual reoccurring revenue means that you have contracts and these contracts keep coming in, so you're bringing in money all the time. Quarter one of 2022 financials. Net revenue is up 86%. 86%. TCV, which I believe is total contract value, 97%. Gross bookings up 300+%. Annual reoccurring revenue up 45%. Contracted vehicles up 29%. Guys, these numbers are phenomenal. Honestly, just look at the numbers that I'm talking about. Double digits, high double digits, triple digit increases, millions of dollars over here. This is great. Okay, this is very, very important to see. Net revenue went up 285%. So this is from 2021 to 2022, 2.6 million in 2021, and 10 million in 2022. Vehicles on the platform went up from 16 million to 27 to 32 million. Guys, that's the numbers that I wanted to see. These are the jumps that I wanted to see. So 2021 is annual and 2022 is estimated. They're saying that these are the estimated numbers that we're going to get. And this is still in line with the numbers that we went over last time. The last video that I made about Wejo, they also said that they're going to get these numbers. So it's in line with their projections. Nothing is changing, which is good. Adjusted EBITDA losses. In 2021, annualized, it was 67.7 million. And now in 2022, it's going to be 110 to 120 million, which is a reduction in 62 to 77%. The numbers look really, really good. Now, Wejo is up around 4.5% today. It was up like 15% after hours yesterday, so it cooled down, but the entire market is up. Currently, it's trading just south of $2 a share. All-time low is 178, but look at this. All-time high is $20, which means the all-time high is 10x from where it is right now. The current market cap is only $188 million. $188 million for a company. Guys, this company is worth more than $188 million, not financial advice, purely entertainment and educational purposes only, just on account that it can do something better than Tesla. That's it. Any company that says that they could do something better than Tesla is worth more than $188 million. That's all I know. This is where this conversation ends right now. This company is worth more than $188 million just based on that one fact alone. The company is growing, the numbers are going up. I like this company. I invested in this company and I'm gonna keep investing in the company. I might just buy this dip right now because honestly, I do think this thing is gonna go up in the future and I might take advantage of this market drop right now. But what you should do is definitely take advantage of clicking this link right here if you want my first review of Wejo. I have a lot of information. You can compare my first video to this video. Have a great day.